Namaste friends, welcome to Learn with J, empowered by Magic Needles. This day I am here with a very simple but look wise it's complex. It is called as climbing vine pattern, and for this pattern we require multiples of 8 plus 6 as the foundation chains. It is just a one row repeat, but it appears to be a very complex stitch. Okay, let me make the required number of chains and get back to you. This particular piece I worked with DK Cake Antipillion. I am ready with 2 repeats of 8 chains plus 6. Now to begin with, make 3 DC cluster in the 6th chain from the hook. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6th chain from the hook, make 3 DC cluster. Skip 3 chains, make 1 DC in the next chain, chain 2, skip the next chain and make a single crochet in the skip 1, single crochet in the next, chain 2, skip 1 and make 1 double crochet, chain 3, 3 DC cluster, skip 3 chains, DC in the next, till you have last 4 chains. So we have come to the last 4 chains. Skip 1 chain, you chain 2 and skip 1 chain, SC in the next, chain 2 and DC in the last chain. So when you're working in the last chain, you're skipping 1. This completes row 1. For row 2, either chain 6 and turn, or turn, make a double crochet, chain 3, and 3 DC cluster, all in the same first stitch. Place a DC on DC, chain 2, single crochet under chain 3 space, chain 2, DC on DC, chain 3 and 3 DC cluster on the same stitch. Then DC on DC. Chain 2, single crochet and the chain 3 space, chain 2, DC on the third chain of the turning chain. So row after row you're going to repeat row 2 for your pattern. I'll work one more row. We begin with a DC chain 3 DC cluster and then work as per row 2. So the pattern repeat is a single row repeat, row 2 is a pattern repeat. Thank you friends for watching this video. You can repeat row 2 to the desired length of your project. Thank you friends for watching this video. Do subscribe to Magic Needles channel and do not forget to hit on the bell icon. Please do like and share. I shall be back with yet another pattern in the next video. Bye for now.